I have this sweater here that has a hole in it. Now, I don't know how to knit, so I don't know how to fix this. But I asked my grandmother, who does know how to knit, and she gave me some advice. So I'm going to see if I can rescue this sweater. I have a very small crochet hook here. It is 1.40 millimeters. And I am going to basically hook in and try to build back up what has been taken out. Hook it through. Let's see. There's one. Two. Three. Four. And that looks to be what has been taken out. Looks normal again. Now I don't have any thread that is the size of this, but I do have some floss. So I'm just going to take some out, enough that I can knot with it. And I am going to thread this through. Just like that. And then I am going to basically tie it to our seam where it's nice and thick. Right through here. And then I am going to weave in my ends along the side so that it disappears and no one will know it's there. Besides, it's in the armpit of the sleeve anyway. I don't think anybody's gonna notice. So that is my repair job of a knitted sweater, and I hope this helps you if you have a hole in your sweater too.